guys, it's me again. Welcome to my channel. In today's project, I am going to show you how to crochet a coaster using two different colors, which is red and white. And Valentine's Day is coming, so this is perfect if you're having a hot coffee with your sweetheart. And yeah, the material is I am going to use size C 2.75 millimeter crochet hook and a fingering cotton yarn. This is a 100% cotton, so you can use it with the hot coffee mug. And okay, if you are ready, we're going to begin with the red color. To begin, make a chain of 5. 1 2 3 4 5, and then we are going to join it with slip stitch into the beginning chain, and make a chain 3. This chain 3 is counted as the first double, so we are going to make 14 double crochet into the rings, and we already have the chain 3. Now we need to make 13 double crochet more. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, now I have the total of 14. Let's count. 2 4 6 8 10 12 14. I have 14 double crochet into the ring. Now join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. And now we are going to slip stitch in between the first 2 double. We are going to slip stitch in between the first 2 double and make a chain 3. And into the same space, we are going to make one more double, and into the next space between the next 2 double, we are going to make 2 double crochet, and make 2 double crochet into the next space between the next 2 double. This is how it looks like, guys. We're going to use the spaces in between those doubles, okay? Continue and finish your round with 2 double crochet into each spaces around. Okay, I finished my round and I have the total of 28 double crochet. Now to join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. And for the next round, slip stitch into the next double and slip stitch in to the space between the 2 double crochet group. This is the first double crochet group, second double crochet group, and in between of these two, we're going to slip stitch there and make a chain 3. And into the same space, we are going to make another 2 double. And in each spaces between the 2 double group, this is the groups, 2 double group, 2 double group. In between of each 2 double group, we are going to make 3 double crochet in each spaces. Okay, go ahead, continue and finish your round with 3 double crochet in each spaces between the 2 double crochet group. And after you finish, join it with slip stitch into the beginning chain 3, and I will meet you for the next round. Okay guys, I finished my work and I join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3, and for the next round we are going back into the last space at the back of the hook. We are going into this space and make one single. This is counted as first single, and make chain 2. This is counted as the first double, and into the next space between the 3 double crochet group, this space, we are going to make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then make 4 double crochet into the next space. Now guys, continue your work making 4 double crochet in each spaces around, and at the end of your work, go ahead and continue your round, and I will meet you for the end of the work before joining. Okay, now guys, I finished my work, and before joining we are going to complete the last 4 double crochet group. So into the same space as the beginning chain 3, we are going to make 3 more double there. 1, 2, 3, and now join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. Now we completed the last 4 double, and make a chain 1 and make a single crochet in each stitches around. Go ahead and complete your single crochet in each stitches around, beginning with chain 1 and single into the same stitch as joining. Go ahead guys, finish your single crochet around, and I will meet you for the border. Okay guys, I finished my round, and to join it with slip stitch on top of the first single, and then we are going to stop here and cut the yarn. When you're cutting the yarn, make sure to leave extra length for you to wave the tail later on. Okay, and now we are going to do the border using the white color. You can join the white color in any of the stitches around. Join it with slip stitch, and then make a chain 1, single into the same stitch, and make a chain of 3, and into the same stitch we are going to make 1/2 double, and then we are going to skip the next single, and into the next single we are going to make 1 single crochet, and make a chain 3, make 1/2 double crochet into the same stitch, skip the next single and make 1 single into the next, chain 3, 1/2 double into the same stitch, skip next single, single into the next. Go ahead guys, finish your work and continue your work and finish your round. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. And yeah, where am I? Okay, make a chain 3 and then make 1/2 double crochet into the same stitch. Skip the next single and make 1 single into the next. Go ahead and continue your work with this pattern, and I will meet you at the end. Okay guys, I finished my work and I join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning single, and I cut my yarn, and this is how the coaster look like. Now with the yarn needle, we can use it to hide the tail. When you're hiding the tail, make sure that it won't show in the front. Wave it 2 or 3 times to make it more secure. Okay, then cut the yarn. I think I have one more. Okay guys, this is how the coaster look like, and it's perfect if you're having a coffee with your sweetheart inside your home, especially on Valentine's Day if you have a date, and you can use this to entertain your date. Now we finish another project, and I hope you enjoy it guys. Thank you for joining me, and see you again for the next video.